Dinner. We must all skip it. It's a meal you must always avoid. Or dinner, what to eat, how much to eat, carbs for dinner, no carbs for dinner. All confused? Watch this. Dinner is an important meal, guys. It is one of the 3 main meals that we do eat in a day. Skipping dinner is not the best idea. When it comes to the size of the meal, always remember your dinner must be a meal smaller than your lunch. Because waking hours post-dinner are far shorter than waking hours post-lunch. Should dinner be without carb? Not at all. Small amount of carb is important because carb is also important as a filling value and also very, very essential for you to get good quality sleep. The earlier we eat dinner, the better it is. Yes, definitely, because then you get larger waking hours, right? If you eat a very large meal at dinner time, your body has to digest this very large meal even while you're sleeping. Like when you eat very heavy, the next day in the morning, you'll never wake up fresh. You'll always wake up tired and fatigued. That's known as a fat hangover. And if you want to avoid that, make sure you don't have a binge meal at dinner time. If your gap between lunch and dinner is very large, then you will tend to eat a large dinner. But if you want to save that, eat a good evening snack.